wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with a UV-protected top and rust-resistant frame, the Lifetime 80161 is safe to keep outdoors in most weather conditions. It's made of high-density polyethylene to stand up to plenty of use and is backed by a 10-year warranty. It doesn't stain easily, however the height is difficult to adjust, and it can wobble slightly. At number 9, the Outdoor Interiors 10070 features a charming lattice design and is the right size for displaying potted plants or putting out some drinks and appetizers for guests. Its legs form a natural handle when it's collapsed for ease of transport. It's made of eco-friendly eucalyptus wood and no assembly is required, but the surface is a bit rough. Coming in at number 8 on our list, its drop leaf design makes the Winsome Wood Hannah 34942 versatile. If you have limited space, you can simply put one side down, press the flat end against the wall, and use half of the surface area. Then when you have more room, you can extend it fully. It features a stylish beveled top edge and a light oak finish. However, it seems a bit overpriced. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether you require extra seating for surprise dinner guests or a surface to play cards on, the round flash furniture RB48RGG should fit your needs. It can accommodate up to 6 adults and takes up little storage room when not in use. It's also available in a 2-pack and the top is smooth enough to write on, but it can dent easily. Moving up our list to number 6. If you need to pack a lot of people onto one table, the Cosco Diamond Series Banquet should be able to help. The orientation of its legs won't cause any knee obstructions at the ends, and at 6 feet long you can seat 3 per side comfortably. It comes in black or white and locks into place when set up. It's equipped with a strong steel frame. Halfway up our list at number 5. Its classic square shape makes the Stakmore card perfect for a game of poker or bridge, though it also works well as a dining surface for small kitchens. Constructed from solid hardwood, it feels stable and should look good even after years of use. It features sleek tapered legs and a reliable steel folding mechanism. It can be stored under most beds. At number 4, the Beckworth & Co. smartflip standard makes dining outdoors comfortable and easy. Its legs are individually height adjustable from 17 to 25.6 inches, which helps to stabilize it on uneven surfaces and allows you to set it up for a variety of purposes. It comes with a sturdy one-piece top and aircraft-grade aluminum legs. It's made of eco-friendly bamboo. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, even though its legs collapse for storage and transport, the Kitchen Prep & Work offers the quality, construction and reliability of a more permanent piece of furniture. It's made from nearly indestructible stainless steel and ready for an industrial space. It's got a removable shelf and safe rounded edges. It makes a good grill station. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to its lightweight, modest dimensions and included carrying bag, the Coleman Outdoor Compact is a good choice for camping or other excursions where you may need to lug some gear. Its slatted top gives it a classic picnic aesthetic too. It's attractive enough for any occasion and sets up and breaks down quickly. It's affordably priced too. And taking the top spot on our list, at a generous 6 feet long, the Office Star BT6FQW can be the setting for a small meeting or workplace gathering. Its surface is made of an easy-to-clean plastic that sits atop a strong tubular frame, capable of supporting 350 pounds if evenly distributed. It's equipped with wheels for convenient mobility, 2 carrying handles, and non-marring foot caps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video.